Welcome to the Traders Haven live session trade summary for the London session today. And so we got Chima doing the New York session video for you a little bit later on, so I'm just going to take care of the London session. Have a look at a couple of the setups that we were looking at in London. We were setting them up, waiting for them to trigger, and you'll see that I'm in the trade still at the moment. This is a dollar Swissy chart, 4-hour chart, and we were setting this up in London, having a look, seeing the drop off of here. We were comparing it to the euro, and as you can see, this black stripe coming up there, that black line, the support line was broken. It went straight back inside, which was a bit worrying, but came straight back out again. And so when we saw this coming up, testing that area, not really making it back in on the pullback, we got in short and targeted the previous low down the bottom here, as you can see. Well, when we reached there on this candle, took out 2/3 of the trade and let the last third stay just above here at the moment. It's with a trailing stop on it, so as we go up and down, this is going to trail down. Got a new entry order just down the bottom here, so if we break the low of this candle again, well, we'll be triggered into another trade, and this one will be sitting in nice profit. So the profit on this trade with the stop loss of break even will cancel the risk on this trade, and therefore it's a nice risk-free trade. Hopefully we'll get a nice ride down to a logical level that we can then take profit off the table. Just to let you know, I was in a Aussie dollar trade that's still in at the moment. It's just hanging about there in the PPA, in the face of the PPA. Let me just see if I can pull it up for you quickly. The Aussie dollar here, 4-hour, there you can see it. Well, got in long on that one. We're just hanging around this PPA area. That's the problem that we're having at the moment. I got in a bit early on that one. I'm hoping that it continues up north. We've got a good strong bull run here. If it continues north, it's going to hit this next PPA, and as you can see, I've got my take profit just below there, so we're hoping that moves further up for us. The other trade I was in was the Aussie dollar and against the yen. That got stopped out at break even, and then another trade that I was in got stopped out at minus 10 pips. So all in all today so far, a pretty good trading day, sitting in profit for the day with a couple of potentials still running up here. If this goes through, it'll be great. I'll update you guys as to whether this one is a winner or loser.